So today we are testing the Eurosonic EU40, which was the customer's repair. Kind of a tired set with a broken aerial. We've put some insulating tape so we can actually use the telescopic aerial, because we have to use the telescopic aerial or there's pointless doing a test. Put a rubber duck on those, you get about an eighth of the range you otherwise would. So that's what's happening. It's I've cleaned the battery compartment as best I can, but I wouldn't say that battery contacts were 100%. You know, it still has issues, but it is working. So we're not testing the Roto 230. That's our calibrated test radio. It's nothing to do with this. It's all to do with Mr Chiipies at the other end, and his body cam footage will follow this video. We're going to miss out. This radio is 3 watts. This handheld. And we're going to miss out 2 of the test points because we're short of time. So we're going to do top of the hill, Scratchy Corner, Wilsford level crossing. We're missing out Kelby turn off. We're missing out Greyleys, and then we're going to come back on at the 6 mile point at Rawsby level crossing. So we're kind of jumping from 3 miles to 6 miles, because I just think that it may well still work. So here we go. Let's see whether Mr Chippie is in the car. He's going to talk to me from the car, then he'll tell me when he's getting to his test points.
Tango 21, Mr Chippie in position.
Tango 21, and I'm ready for you.
Roger.
Well, that worked out. Tango 21 calling Mr Chippie. Mr Chippie, are you receiving? Over.
Tango 21 receiving you loud and clear.
Roger, receiving you loud and clear. Now move on to Scratchy Corner, please.
Roger that.
Well, that's all right, isn't it? That's a mile and a half away.
Tango 21, Mr Chippie in position, Scratchy Corner.
Roger, thank you. I'm ready for you. Tango 21, I'm receiving you very well. Over. No, I didn't quite receive that. Your spot might have changed. I was receiving you quite well, but not so well the second time. Over.
Tango 21, Mr Chippie, are you receiving?
Yes, that's now loud and clear. Over.
Roger that, I'll move on to next point.
10-4. Well, that was very good on a handheld from Scratchy Corner.
Tango 21 in position, not Sleaford, Wilford level crossing.
Roger, got you and ready.
Tango 21 from Mr Chippie receiving.
Yes, Roger, receiving you very well. Over.
Roger that, this is Wilford level crossing, so I'll move on. We're going down to Rawsby now.
Yes, skip out the next 2. Go straight to Rawsby, please. Over.
Yeah, roger that.
I will just also add that these are the customer's batteries in my little jar here. I don't want you to think that the customer sent his batteries in and we're wearing them out to make this video, because we're not. Tango 21, Mr Chippie, how are you doing?
Yeah, I'm pulling to Rawsby level crossing radar now.
Excellent. I'll be ready for you then.
Roger that.
Tango 21 calling Mr Chiipies. Mr Chiipies, are you receiving? Over. Tango 21, I think I'm just receiving it. Can you just try another position? Over. Yeah, I think it's you. What I'm going to do is I will do a count so you can pick your best spot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. This is Tango 21 testing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Over to you. Okay, I can't tell what you're saying. I know it's you, so you're radio 1. But I can tell it's you, and that's the 6 mile point, so that's excellent. So I will say 10-10 and thank you for the test. Just talk to me back to at the car when you're in. So the logic here is if I'd have asked him to do the other 2, he would have got through from the Kelby one. So it would have done the 4 miles. He wouldn't have got through from the Grayleys one because that's a harder point than his final point. So I'm safe to say that that radio is doing 4 miles on our difficult terrain test. We do have one of those, so we can do other tests ourselves with our own one at a future date. So not bad, and of course that's why it's so worn and so tatty, because it's been used and because it works so well for the owner. Tango 21, Mr Chippie, back in the car. Okay, well I couldn't tell what you were saying on it, but I knew it was you. Over.
Yeah, as you did the count, I walked around. It's really just making a difference. So there you go.
Okay, well, what that proves, as I was just said to the video, is it would have worked at the Kelby turn. It would not have worked at the Grayleys turn because it worked a bit at the final one. So we know it would have done 4 miles from that. Over.
Yeah, look at that. I think the Grayleys turn is a bit of a waste of time today. There's nowhere really easy to park up, and things will never get anywhere with it anyway.
Yeah, I think the same, yes. I mean, if we can get through at Kelby, we can skip straight forwards to the Rorsby one. It's all right with mobiles because we know it's a bit more difficult, but with the handhelds, yeah. So I expect you're going shopping, and I'll see you later. Thank you, 10-10. Okay, so there you are. So that's the Eurosonic EU40 that can go back to the customer now, and yeah, we know that's good for 4 miles in difficult terrain. Thank you for watching.